Hey you all, welcome back to my channel. Today is the 32nd day of 60 days challenge where I am learning spoken English. Rather than I would say I am improving my English with daily practice at home without any external English environment or any partner. So I welcome you all in this video. I'm going to share my way of using dictionary which I have probably spoken in my previous video as well, but this video is particularly for the uses of dictionary. Friend, always remember, it is not expensive or beautiful or branded dictionary that is going to help you in the journey of learning spoken English, but it is your effort of using that dictionary in a very right way. So without wasting time, let's get started. So before, I would like to show up my video sorry, my dictionary over here. This is very old dictionary. It is of 70s or 80s dictionary, I would say. Not 70s, I think. Around 90s, if I'm not wrong. Yes, around 1990s, when my uncle used to study and all. It doesn't mean I don't have other dictionary. I do have two small dictionary which is English to English, and this is particularly English to Hindi medium. Okay, and I'm so much comfortable with this. Now ignore the picture and the outlook of this book. Actually, it is completely in a very poor condition, as well as all the pages are coming out. It is completely torn out, I would say. I have to fix it. Actually, I have done it before also. So without wasting time, let me come to the point. Friend, let me tell you one thing. Whenever we have dictionary, first of all, we need to identify all the day to day life common word out of this book if you are completely new for using any dictionary. Okay, so I want to show you very important thing. When you turn and come to the first page of dictionary, it start with alphabet A B C D up to Z. Now the question come how to use it. There are so many word meaning, and you have to focus on those vocab which is going to help you to improve your fluency in English language. Okay, so this is the first page which may not be visible in the mobile screen, because now I'm going to discuss about the uses of dictionary, the way I use. Wait wait So here we go. Actually, this is the first page of the dictionary. It won't be that visible in the mobile. So let me read for you. Okay. So the words start here with alphabet A. The meaning of A is given, which we all know that it is the first letter of English alphabet. So we don't have to do and spend our time you know on this kind of useless thing, though it is not useless, but we have to search the right word. How we gonna do it? Here is the word which I would suggest. Like, there are so many words. Let me read for you, like abac, abaction, abac, abacus, abandon, abuffed. See, these all words are not uh, generally useful in speaking English, especially for beginners. Okay, these are mostly you can find it in the English newspaper and very hi-fi English book. There it is used. That is why I always focus you to read something, be it book or newspaper, so that you can be used to with all this kind of new word. It's not necessary you have to find out the word meaning and all, but you will come to know these kind of word also exist in life. So where I have to focus is the word abundant came. We know, we are quite familiar with this word. This word is very common. Abundant means to give up. Okay, to give up to another's control. In Hindi, दूसरे के अधिकार में सौंप देना, त्याग देना, something like that. When you read, when you remember a vocab, you get so many benefit. How? Because you are going to learn one vocab, and here you will find more than 3 to 4 meaning of that particular single vocab. And this is how you get benefit from learning one vocab, because you are getting multiple meaning of it. And how does it help? It helps you replacing the original word. For example, abundant. If you are using this abundant word in formation of sentences, you are not going to use the same word again and again, like abundant, abundant every time. Okay, the way I have one um, you know I have habit of speaking so, which I'm working upon to remove because it does not sound good. That is why we should learn to replace this word by using alternative of the same word. For example, here the meaning is given to give upon to others control. So instead of using abandon word, we can use this word as well, to forsake, tyagna, that is to sacrifice and something like that. That so this these are the benefit of learning one word one day. You are not going to remember one vocab, but you are going to learn 3 to 4 meaning of that particular vocab. So in this way, at the end of the day, if you are having a target of, let's say, remembering 5 vocab, so you are going to learn at least 20 vocabulary along with their multiple meaning. In the same way, I told, let me show you with another alphabet so that you can get the clear cut idea. Here I am opening the page of alphabet C. Okay, so there are words written like cellar, cellular, celluloid, cellular, cement. So all these are not so much common in our conversational spoken English. Especially for beginners, it is not required. So you have to skip all this word. What you have to try to find, like sensor. Sensor is very much um usable, a vessel in which essence is burned, or sensor, licensing officer, that sensor board which is used for approving the Bollywood movies and Hollywood movie. There are censor board. So these are common words. Censor, the meaning is dosh nirikshan or something like that, in Hindi, because this is English to Hindi. And yes, again there are so many difficult word like uh, sensual, censure, census. You will find all similar kind of word which is maybe quite confusing for you at initial stage. At the same time, you will find it so much hard to use in your sentences. So that's why try to ignore all this word. What you have to learn is certified, certifies is very common, ceremony, certain, and criticize, crime. This kind of easy word you have to use instead of using all those word which is written in this dictionary and making it a bulky book. Okay, and what is the next thing that you have to do is write it down in a copy format. Write down whole the alphabet which you want to learn, and in front of them write down all the word meaning as I have written, because I'm using the front camera, so the alphabet are quite opposite here. I don't know how it is going to look in your mobile, but you understood, right? All the word I have written here and the word meanings are here, so that I can revise it on daily basis. As I told you, revision is very much important. Writing down and not touching this book for a longer period of time again is not going to give you any kind of success. And useful for reading, for remembering book, you have to revise it on daily basis, because without revision nothing is going to work for you. Everything is mandatory and should be in discipline. Make a to-do list, fix a time, and make a habit of remembering daily 5 to 10 vocabulary, and whatever capacity you can start with one word. Also one word with one word till next 30 days. So you will have collection, good collection of 30 main vocab, as well as their multiple word meaning. So in this way you are going to have a good collection of vocabulary with their alternative meanings, which is very much useful during sentence formation, and especially when you are talking to anybody. These are the shortcut, I would say. Why shortcut? You have seen most of the speaker who are speaking English, they are not using any vocab. I mean, they are using, but most of the time their sentence are very smooth. You will keep listening them, and very easily or in a shortcut way they will complete their whole uh, gist of message which they want to convey to their viewers, their, you know, person in front of them who with whom they are talking. So we have to come into that level, and to achieve that level we have to work from zero, and this is the important way to learn vocabulary. I don't know how many of you will find it helpful, but it did work for me. And yes, previously I had made a very good book, a notebook in which I had written down so many vocabulary. In fact, that half of the copy was completed, and I had completed up to D alphabet, and by that time I had good collection of huge vocab. Okay, I had made my copy my own dictionary, and that was very easy to revise. It used to take little bit time to remember and to revise, but once you are done, you will see the magic in your fluency, in your spoken English. And this is very important. Without vocabulary you cannot improve your English. It is the panacea of the language. Okay, so this is all for the day. Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep working hard. Don't give up, and always wear the attitude of not giving up. As always, all the best, and bye.